Hello, my name is Andrea Rains. I'm going to be your virtual art camp teacher. I'm excited that you guys are here with us. So let's look inside your box and see what you got. On the top of your stack, you're going to have your paints and pens. Inside of this bag, you'll have your custom watercolor palette. You can put your name on the top so you don't mix it up with your brothers and sisters. There's some salt to go with your watercolors. You've got your primary color, acrylic paints. Now these are for 2 projects, so make sure that you don't use them all on the first go. We gave you some popsicle sticks that you can use for scooping the paint out of your cup so you don't make a mess. Your set of brushes and 2 Sharpies for drawing and tracing with. Next is your rainbow weaving kit. Inside of here you've got 2 plates that you can weave on, so you can do them 2 different ways, or you can make one and you can give one to somebody else. There's some fluff for making clouds, and then there's 2 other bags. Inside of this one is all your rainbow yarn and nice little butterflies that we wrapped up for you. And inside the little bag is your weaving needle and your 2 pieces of paper for your hot dog buns. Next is your canvas banner kit. You can tell there's not a lot to this one, but we put it in a bag to keep it clean. You've got your canvas banner with its stitching at the top and your dowel that's going to go on it. On the back, you've got some marks so that you can cut it into a point at the bottom, or you can cut it into 2 points. You can also just leave it as is if you want to. You could put some kind of fringe or a yarn or something fun at the bottom. And the way this will work, you'll just slide your dowel into the top, and then you can tie a string on and hang it on your wall. Last but not least, on the bottom of your box, you've got your bag of paper. So inside of this is the paper for all the projects that you're going to need. And we also gave you a color wheel to help you with your color mixing. Each one of the different sets, each one of the different projects has a label for which project it's for, so that you know how much paper you have for each one. We gave you enough that you can either make some mistakes or you can do it a couple times. So you've got your geode painting paper, you've got your landscape painting paper, and you've got your crystal painting paper all together. So that's all for now. We can't wait to see you guys next week when we start our art camp.